Welcome to job number 570 here in St Lucia. This existing 3-bedroom home was previously set up for dual living, which made for a very disjointed home, particularly with access to the rear pool and yard area. With a tight galley style kitchen, the house simply wasn't working for our clients and their teenage children, but not anymore. Designed and constructed by Update Renovate, we have extended and completely reconfigured this family home, which now features a spacious master bedroom with luxurious ensuite and an ample walk-in wardrobe. 3 large kids' bedrooms, each with built-in robes, 2 common bathrooms, a laundry chute, 2 living spaces and an open-plan kitchen, living and dining area with an outdoor entertaining deck opening onto the existing pool. Do you need to take your living to the next level?